dadaan sa Portage Bridge. Kasi itong bridge na to, it connects from Ottawa to Gatineau. Hi guys! Today is the first day of spring. So naisipan lang namin mag-ikot. And then nandito kami ngayon sa footbridge going to Gatineau.
So we decided to just walk the two bridges. There are so many bridges that connects Ottawa to Gatineau. But we chose to walk the Portage Bridge and then go back via the Alexandra Bridge that goes to downtown Redu. And you can see over the horizon the St. Patrick Cathedral over there and the Royal Canadian Museum sa tabi niya. And then the back of Redu, the Parliament Building. So nasa Gatineau na tayo.
So you know guys, here in Gatineau, they are French speaking. So makikita nyo, look at that. Mga nakasulat dito ngayon ay mga French word. Hello guys! So, ganda ng weather kasi first day of spring ngayon. So, eto nadaanan namin tong Canadian Museum of History, Stories of Canada, and the World. So, that's the museum.
Are now going back to the next bridge na pabalik na. Going back to Ottawa. This is the Alexandra Bridge. This is the more popular bridge. The weather is nice. Nice walking, nice biking, nice running, nice everything, you know. With the city of Gatineau forms the National Capital Region or National Capital Commission of Canada.
So guys, nandito na kami sa Alexandria Bridge. So this is the bridge that connects to Ottawa. So guys, samahan nyo kami.
So Parliament Hill is really a hill. You see how it is perched on a hill. That's why ang tawag sa kanya Parliament Hill. You know, that's a hill. Kadikit niya yung Chateau Laurier. And that's a beautiful woman, you know. Wow, what a beautiful woman.
Love the weather. Sobrang ganda. So ganito ang buhay sa Canada. It's good na na-lift na yung lockdown here in Ontario. So people are taking advantage ngayon sa weather. Tapos na yung winter and today is the first day of spring. Tuwang-tuwa ang lahat. Tuwang-tuwa ako, lalo na ako. So guys, ito yung bridge that connects Gatineau to Ottawa. So ang dami ngayong namamasyal, ang dami ngayong naglalakad-lakad, and also, look at that, nagba-bike sila. Ganda dito oh. So again guys, nayaya ko yung husband ko to join me again sa vlog ko. So I hope hindi kayo magsawa kakapanood sa aming dalawa. So I'm planning to do more vlog with him.
May bayad naman yun, may bayad. Alexandra is close up. Walang traffic. They closed Alexandra to limit the number of cars people crisscrossing the two cities. Although meron isang bridge na bukas, that one, bridge there.
Lakad na kami. Han, say hi please.
Hello. Nandito na naman ako. Hindi dapat.
So, nandito naman siya. So, dun sa dulo na yon, yun yung Ottawa area. And then, kanina galing kami sa Gatineau area, which is on that side. So, pabalik na kami ng Ottawa, guys. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Han. Hello.
Hello. Hello mga kabayan.
Sa kaba, ang dami ring mga Pilipino dito sa Ontario. Actually, buong Ontario, ang dami-daming Pilipino sa Ontario. And kami dito sa Ottawa. Ilan ang Pilipinos dito kaya sa Ottawa? What do
They
you think?
estimate something like 15,000 Filipinos here. 15. Hindi masyadong karamihan compared to Saskatoon or Regina or Winnipeg or Toronto. Pero 15,000.
What's the reason? Why?
Well,
This
kasi
is the capital of the...
government
this is the
kasi ang
capital of
trabaho
Canada,
dito
right?
all jobs that are available here are government jobs, and medyo mahirap makakuha ng trabaho sa government. That's why kukonti ang mga Pilipino.
So that castle is... What do you
Yung
call that
castle
again?
na yan is yung one of the only 6-star hotel here, yung tinatawag na Chateau Laurier. Chateau Laurier from the Fairmont Group. Okay, so isa sa kanilang mga choice hotels in Canada. Ito yung kagaya ng hotel sa Lake Louise. I don't know the name of that hotel in Lake Louise in Alberta. Tapos they have one in Quebec sa Mont Tremblant. I don't know then, hindi ko alam ang pangalan nun.
Back ng Parliament Hill.
So you will see it is perched on a hill, di ba? So that's why it's called Parliament Hill, kasi nasa hill talaga siya, nasa taas siya ng hill. It is one of the highest place here in Ottawa.
Yes.
Itong lugar na itong elevation niya is about 500 meters.
Maybe we can sit on this bench.
So po muna.
Okay.
Pagpagod ka na, di ba? Upo ko na. Ay.
Napunit daw yung pants niya. Tiyan.
Bakit pinunod mo yung pants ko?
Spring na kasi.
Oh, that bridge is...
So that's the bridge. As you see guys, ang haba niya. Gaano kahaba yung bridge na yan?
Ganun din siguro dun sa kabila. Maybe about 800 meters. 800 meters. Yeah, or close to 1 kilometer. Yeah, yung bridge na yan. So...
So guys, upo lang kami sandali. Nakakapagod din. Kasi ang layo-layo nung nilakad namin. Pero, enjoy naman. Kasi,
Pang exercise na rin eh.
maganda
Like
yung
exercise to
araw.
us.
So, that's the bridge that connects to Ottawa to Gatineau. Yan yung bridge na nilakad namin. Nag-start kami sa...
Taj Bridge.
Okay.
Wellington going to Portage, which is there. We walked something like, I think we walked 3.5 kilometers from the car to here. Medyo malayo din, para ka rin nag-jogging. So, mga kabayan, salamat at kayo nanood sa aming munting video. Saturday, first day of spring. Medyo napagod lang, naglakad kami. I hope you enjoyed.
So,
Watch your next vlog, not mine.
We just wanna share, guys, yung buhay namin dito sa Canada, and also here in Ontario. So, ito yung lugar namin kung saan kami nakatira ngayon. And hopefully nagustuhan niyo yung mga pinakita namin for today's video. So guys, and I hope you like our video today. I hope you like it.
Peace out.
And guys, if you love this video, please hit like, and if you have time, please subscribe. Bye! Kami, and then actually dadaan muna kami sa mall. Maybe doon na lang kami mag-snacks. And I had so much fun walking. Nag-enjoy ako sa bridge with my husband.